Hey, this is Paul Coughlin with EZoutdoors. Today I want to show you how to use our single step aider for 2022. This right here, it attaches to the Versa button on your climbing stick. So I'm going to give you about a little bit of a foot of room to mess with to adjust to your length. Alright guys, I'm going to break this down just a little more. These are the two colors that we have in stock. We have the fluorescent orange and olive drab. When you get your package in the mail, it's going to look like this. There's this, pretty much every part of this aider can be adjusted. If you want to adjust your loop, all you got to do is loosen this knot. Let me slide this down just a hair, and you can grab that braided cord, paracord. You can slide up to make it longer. Grab it on the left side on the main piece of the rope. Slide it down to make it shorter. When you're all said and done, you need to put that knot back in, or your aider will not work for you at all. The band that goes around your calf can also be adjusted. Just grab that paracord, slide it up and down to your comfort zone. Now the step, again, it can be adjusted. So what you need to do is slide the two castration belts all the way down to the bottom and loosen the knot, and then you can either make it a smaller step or a larger step just by making it to your comfort size. There are two castration belts. You only have to use one of them. The other one is just a backup. Last thing, the clip, this bungee is the clip that can go to your saddle, belt, or pants, wherever comfortable. This also helps with the little tension to keep this loop for lifting up when you're going up the tree. First thing you want to do though is I got a leash that's attached to the aider that you can attach to your belt, or what I do is I attach it to in the front of my saddle, so in case you drop it, you always have it. So first thing I want to do today is I'm going to use that bungee band and I'm going to adjust it around. It's going to go around the band's going around my leg, and I'm going to adhere it to my calf. The second one is, let's see if I can get this. I'm putting the hose on the arch of my foot and I'm adhering it down with the band, so it's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to grab my lineman's rope and we're going to get ready. This aider attaches, like I said, to your Versa button. So what I like to do is I like to have that knot equivalent or equal to my knee. So when I'm stepping, usually the knee to your heel is going to be your first comfortable step. So I'm going to hook up to the tree, safety first. Now, with that loop, I'm going to put it around your Versa button, apply pressure. I've got to face the tree for this to make it so it's safe. I like to put my left foot on the top step, right hand, I say left foot, left hand on the top step, right hand on the tree, and I'm going to step up. This is never a rushing thing. Normally the loop comes right off, and if not, it's really light to take off. To get down, I like to apply pressure to my saddle, put the loop again on the Versa button, apply pressure. Always take your time. That easy. Again, I'm going to show you again. Climbing up, put on the reverse button. Climbing down, we go again. Apply pressure. That easy. Like I said, I use this for a year now and I'm really happy with it. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully whoever gets to use these things will really enjoy them. I do. Again, good luck this season. Have a good one.